Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey Clashers! Ever wondered how to join forces with your friends in Clash Royale and dominate the arena together? Playing with buddies truly amplifies the fun, offering unique strategic opportunities and unforgettable moments. Whether you want to test new decks, climb the ladder as a duo, or just battle for bragging rights, playing with friends is the way to go. We're here to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. The most fundamental way to play alongside your friends is by joining a clan. If your friends are already in a clan, simply search for it by name or tag and request to join. If you're starting fresh, create your own clan and invite them directly. Clans unlock friendly battles, card trading, and special events, making it super easy to stay connected and play together anytime. Looking for a quick one-on-one duel with a buddy? Friendly battles are your answer. Once you're in the same clan, you can challenge any clanmate directly from the clan chat. Just tap their name, then choose challenge. This mode is fantastic for practicing strategies, trying out new card combinations, or simply enjoying a no-pressure match against someone you know. It's an instant way to get some friendly competition going. For those who prefer cooperative play, 2 versus 2 battles are a thrilling option. Within your clan, you can easily invite a friend to be your teammate for a 2 versus 2 match. It's an amazing way to combine your skills, strategize together, and overcome opposing duos. Winning relies heavily on teamwork, so communicate effectively and dominate the arena side by side with your chosen partner. Playing Clash Royale with friends truly elevates the entire game experience. Whether you're challenging each other, teaming up for 2 versus 2, or just chatting in the clan, the social aspect adds so much enjoyment. It's all about creating those shared moments and friendly rivalries. So go ahead, connect with your buddies, and make every Clash Royale session an unforgettable one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.